Welcome to NTCS Group. NTCS Group is offering you UKQ Food Safety Level 1 course. This UKQ Level 1 food hygiene course is designed for anyone who works with or handles food and wants to meet the UK food training requirements. In this Food Hygiene Online course, you will learn about the impact of foodborne illnesses, food safety hazards and contamination, food preservation, storage, and temperature control. Why food safety is important. Access to sufficient amounts of safe and nutritious food is key to sustaining life and promoting good health. Unsafe food containing harmful bacteria, viruses, parasites or chemical substances causes more than 200 diseases, ranging from diarrheas to cancers. Why this course? The course is suitable for food handlers in all disciplines of the catering sector, including restaurants, hotels, cafes, bars, fast food outlets, takeaways, mobile food trucks, kitchens, hospitals, schools, and colleges. Who is this course for? This certified online training is ideal for people working in positions such as, but not limited to, chef or cook, bartender or front of house worker, catering or kitchen assistant, teacher, support or care or charity worker, barista, childminder or nursery staff. Register now. UKQ Food Safety Level 1 course. Contact us on our WhatsApp 92308 453 9090 or visit our website www.ntcsgroup.com.